Hello, dear friends. Today we continue our course Neurographic Art in Sacred Geometry. In our next series of classes, we will talk about the Third Eye Chakra, Ajna Chakra. My name is Alina and I present this course Neurographic Art in Sacred Geometry, which is dedicated to drawing Yantras for chakras. The Third Eye Chakra can be considered the highest chakra because it governs all the other chakras, while the 5 chakras that are below produce different instinct, impulses, feelings, and emotion. The 6th chakra is above them and supervises their functions. It's really the eye of the soul, the seer, the center of presence and perception. The Third Eye Chakra is associated with higher knowledge, intuition, and what we sometimes refer as the sixth sense. The third eye helps us perceive what's beyond the physical world that our eyes can see. It connects us to our intuition without the filter of judgment. Ajna Chakra is linked to imagination and visualization. The Third Eye Chakra is located between the eyebrows at the center of the head. This chakra makes connection with the external world through our inner vision. The balance of this chakra is freedom of thought and expression. In Sanskrit, Ajna means perceive, command, and beyond wisdom. And as I said, it's a chakra of intuition, insight, self-realization, and imagination. It's our inner vision. When this chakra is stimulated, both hemispheres of the brain work together and help us transcend dualistic thinking. The Ajna Chakra is associated with the element of light, the color dark blue, indigo, and the energy of Hakini Shakti. When the Third Eye Chakra is in balance, we're able to tune into and trust our intuition and imagination. We see our reality with clarity, self-awareness, and balance. We trust our inner knowledge, which allows us to make balanced decisions. We are also open to different perspectives and able to perceive wisdom, what is more above the 5 senses that are associated with sensory organs such as sight, touch, sound, taste, and hearing. When the 6th chakra is blocked, we lose connection with our inner wisdom. We may feel lost. The imbalance is mostly likely to present itself physically, and it's typically in the area of the brain and the eyes. We may feel that we're stuck in a monotonous life. It may be difficult to see the bigger picture. It also can produce a feeling of mental blockage, anxiety, depression. And also on a physical level, that could be manifested as headaches, anxiety, confusion, memory loss, nightmares, and insomnia. Many practices are designed to support this chakra because it's so important, and working with these chakras help us to balance the chakras that below it. Meditation is supposed to be the best of tools, the strongest. Also chanting mantras and concentration as exercise, concentration, among them mantras, also asana practice, or any activity that helps you to concentrate on action. That could help this chakra in balance. Now with respect to our drawing, so the Third Eye Chakra is located between the eyebrows, slightly above the bridge of the nose, between the eyebrows. The Ajna symbol is a gnome positioned over the inverted triangle, and the triangle is placed within a circle with 2 lotus petals. The inverted triangle represents our connection to the divine. The two petals symbolize a sense of duality between the self and the universe, the Almighty. This chakra channels energy towards universal knowledge, as basically it's a gateway to higher consciousness. And then with this inspirational talk about the importance of this chakra, let's begin our drawing.